Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a hair video for you guys. I did these crimps in my hair. Is crimp still in style? I don't know, but I like them. And I like the way they make my hair look really big and fluffy. I'm usually the girl who wears them apart with the just straight hair. So I'm like, let me crimp it today. Let me film it for you guys. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully you're interested in these crimps, girl. Yeah. I don't like those super tight crimps, by the way. Like, I don't like those. So I didn't add any product in my hair while I was crimping it. I just kind of like crimped it because, you know, like it even gives it like a very like natural look. So I could get away with this being my hair. But anyways, if you're interested in how I got these crimps, then make sure you keep on watching. So let's just go in starting with what I use to do them. Okay, so this product is called Plug In, well, this item, and they are crimps that my aunt purchased from Sally's Beauty, and she bought these for me for my birthday. This is what they look like. They get very hot. You may see the smoke like coming from them when I'm crimping my hair in the video. She bought them for me, and I'm like, I'm gonna use these, and I like the way it makes my hair look. I actually crimped my natural hair before, so I knew that it'll look nice. So yeah, if you guys are interested in those, I will definitely link them down below. She called a sale, so I'm not sure if they are still on sale, but I can just go on the website if they have one and link it below for you guys. So if you are interested in seeing how I crimp my hair, I did crimp just this side for you guys on camera, and the other side I did off camera. Crimps take a very long time to do, so you gotta have some patience, baby. And yeah, I'm kind of patient sometimes. So let's just get into these crimps, ladies.